What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. It's kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape,
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Snape,
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Snape,
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Snape,
Hermione!
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley!
Hermione,
Dumbledore!
Ron,
Hermione! Weasley! Ron!
Hermione,
Ron Weasley!
Hermione,
Ron!
Snape, Hermione,
Ron!
Snape, Snape, Snape,
Dumbledore!
and we all
Ron!
Hermione,
Ron Weasley!
Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape,
Ron
Severus
Weasley!
Snape,
Hermione!
Severus Snape, and we
all
all day long at Hogwarts.
I found this! There was a mysterious ticking in the pipe bomb!
A pipe
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.